Welcome to wppathfinder.com. In this tutorial, I will show how you can start a moving or delivery service website like this one. I will show each and every step so you can follow the tutorial and make your own delivery service website like this one. I am using bluehost.com to register my domain name and hosting. Click on the Get Started button and choose a plan which one you want to select for your website. Then pick a domain name and click on the Next button. You have to fill out all the necessary information and complete the payment process to access on your hosting account. After completing all the process, you can log in on your hosting account. This is the hosting what we purchased few moments ago, and we will use this hosting account to start our delivery website. If you visit the website, you will find it blank. So we will install WordPress on our hosting. Select WordPress Manager by subtabular section and install WordPress on your website. I will leave the directory empty because I want to install WordPress on the main domain. You can change all the site name, description and other details. Our WordPress is installed on our website. If I reload the website, you will find WordPress has been installed. This is the WordPress dashboard from where we can change website layout and install theme. All kind of changes we will made here. I will upload a new theme. We are using Breeze multipurpose WordPress theme. I will put the theme download link in the description. You can download the theme and use on your website. It's showing the link you followed has expired. This happened because we uploaded a large file using WordPress system. So I will log in on my hosting again and upload the theme manually. Go to File Manager. And then public_HTML. Then go to WP content section and themes. Here we will upload our theme. Click on the Go Back button and extract the zip file on the same directory. Click on Extract button. If you reload, you will find Breeze theme is listed here. If you go to theme section again, from the appearance you will find breeze theme is here and you can simply activate it. Now we need to install all required plugins. Select install and click on apply button. Click on the return page installer. Now we need to activate all the plugins again. Click on the return to dashboard button. From the Breeze dashboard option, go to import section. Search for the demo moving. Choose the new demo 320 and we need contact form 7 to install this theme. Install and activate contact form 7. Go to import option again. Search for the moving demo. Select all and click on import button. It will take few minutes to set up all the demo content on your website. Wait patiently. Close the importer. Visit the website to see the changes. Our demo website is ready, but the slider is not working. So let's check why the slider is not working. Click on edit with Elementor section. In this section we need to add the shortcode of slider. Go to slider regulation section from the dashboard. Select the home slider and collect the shortcode of this slider. This is the shortcode we need. Copy this and visit the home page again. Click on edit with Elementor. Search for shortcode and drag it to this section, header section, and paste the shortcode. Once you add the shortcode, hit on the update button. If you visit the website again, you will see everything is working fine. Slider is working also. So our moving website is ready. Now we will see how you can edit all the demo content and set up all other things. Now we will learn how we can change all this text, logo, images and other elements of our website. To edit our website with our original content, go to dashboard and then go to code option. You can change the logo from this section. You have to upload your own logo here, and then you can change all header setting, footer, title and all other elements from this section. If you want to edit these contents, you have to edit with Elementor. You can click and change any image you want, and also if you want to change any text, you can just write it here. Moving company, our original text. If you edit and update the setting, it will be changed. You can change this image also, and from the left hand side you can set up the image how you want to display it on your website. Any text you want to edit, you just click and update. You can change the button link. Click on the button and you have to add the link here. pathfinder.com. You can change these icons and menu position. Icon position, you can make it left, top or right, anywhere you want to place. So any element in this website you can easily change, but the footer section you can't change from here. To edit the footer widgets, go to your dashboard. From the appearance, go to widget section. And you will find different widgets here. Find the footer widgets. You can change images, text and other social icons. This is part of footer widget 1. If you want to change any item of footer widget 2, this is part of footer widget 2. You can change contact information or anything you want to change. But if you want to edit any page, visit that page. Click on edit with Elementor and you will able to edit the page. You can simply edit and update any text. If you want to change the background, right click on the section and you can edit the section style, and you can change the background. All other text and things you can, text and elements you can change easily, but you cannot edit the slider section using the edit with Elementor option or using the widget option. You have to visit the slider revolution section and find the home slider. Click on edit. Here you can edit all the element, images, text and button text and links. Click on button actions and you can change the link from here. If you want to change any image, you can simply edit it. Once you complete editing, hit the save button and your slider will be updated. If you experience any difficulties on editing the website content or any element, please contact me. I will add my contact email address in the video description. You can email me. I will try to help you. Now I will work on how you can set up request a quote and pricing calculation section on your website, and how merchants will register on your website and they will able to place delivery request on your website dynamically. So let's move forward. We will now create a custom post type using the CPT UI plugins. This will help us to receive all the codes in our WordPress dashboard. Go to WordPress dashboard and then go to plugins section. Here search the plugins CPT UI, install and activate the plugins. Once you activate the plugin, you will notice CPT UI menu on your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add Edit Post Types option to add a new custom post. Post type slug is the URL of your custom post. Add plural label and singular label to create your custom post. Click on Add Post Type to create the new custom post. Once you create the new post type, it will immediately appear on the WordPress dashboard. Now we will create a front-end code submission form. When someone will submit a pricing code, it will be stored here. We need 2 more plugins for doing this, so we will install the plugin Advanced Custom Fields and ACF Frontend Form Submission plugin. We need to activate both the plugins we just installed. This page is generating an error because we did not activate the Advanced Custom Field plugin yet. So we will now visit the WordPress dashboard again and activate the Advanced Custom Fields plugin. If you now visit the Request Codes section, you will find it empty, and if you click on the Add New option, it will look like a normal WordPress post. So we will add a custom field group that will help us collecting all necessary data from our users. Let's give it a name, Request Code Field Group, and it will display only for the request code post type. Click on the Add Field button to add options on your custom post. I make a list of some required informations that I want to collect from users. I will create these fields here. As this is email collection field, I will choose it as email. You can make it required or optional. Our next field name is phone number field. You can make your own list and create different field types of fields or subfields, as many as you want. When you choose the field type select, you will get a choice box where you can set many different options to choose one from the drop down list. You can set value colon label or only the value or label to set different parameters for your drop down list. I hope you can create the rest of the form using the same process. So I will now skip the part and come back with the complete form. Once you add all the options or custom fields for the specific custom post type, hit the publish button. If you now reload the page, you will notice all the fields are available on your custom post. You can fill out all the fields as an admin, and when you hit the publish button, it will be stored on your WordPress dashboard. But we want it as a front-end form, right? We will also create a front-end form that will allow any visitor to submit codes without logging on our website. To create the front-end form, we need to create a page first. Let's create a page called codes. We will use this page as a code submission page. We are editing the page using the Elementor Pro plugins. I will add the link in the video description so you can purchase and use the plugin on your website. From the left widgets area, search ACF frontend form to create the form. From the actions section, select new post. You can update the success message as you want. I will keep the title and rename it as your name field, so people can add their name and the codes will be stored as their name. But I will remove the featured image field because I don't want it in my codes submission form. If you click on the add new item, you will find an option ACF Fields group. Choose your field group to add on the form. You can update the submission form button from here. So the last thing is we have to select the post type from our post section. When someone will submit the form, all the data will be stored on the specific post type we have selected. As we are creating this as a front-end form, so select it as all user, or you can allow only for the logged out users. Hit the publish button and let's check the form if everything is working fine or not. I just logged out from my WordPress admin area and I will submit some dummy data to check if the form is working properly. From the WordPress dashboard, I will visit the request codes section again to check if my newly submitted codes is added or not. So all the data added perfectly. Following this method, you can create any front-end form and store the data on your WordPress dashboard. But if you visit the custom posts, you won't see all the information except the title and some default fields. So we will create a single page so we can view all our information in the single page. From your WordPress dashboard, go to templates and then theme builders. We are creating a single page for the custom post type request codes. It will help us display all the data of our custom posts effectively. Let's give it a name, course single page, and hit the create template button. It will take you to the next page and open in an Elementor editor. I must tell you, this is a Pro feature, so you need to use Elementor Pro. I will leave the plugins download link in the video description so you can download it and use it. I will choose this basic template and use it for my project. We will modify all the information and customize it as we want. I will remove this post title and add a static page heading here, so anyone can understand which page he is visiting. Let's add another column here. It will help us to display all the data in an arranged way. I will add a little space here because in right side I will add some dynamic ACF content that needs more space to display. Click on this dynamic tags icon and select post title. From the settings, go to preview settings section and select your custom post type name. You can choose any custom post name so you can see the live preview of your changes here. Let's open a post so we can see all the sequences of our custom fields. Most of the fields we will now duplicate and change the custom post field types. After adding all the custom fields, hit the publish button and select the post type. In our case, it's request code post type, so we will select this and hit the save and close button. If we now visit the custom post again, we will be able to see all the information accurately. This is our course page. I will add this link in the home page so that people can easily access the course page and submit course request. Select the request a code button and then click on the action button. You have to remove and update the old link. If anyone visits this link, he can submit the code. Let's check the button and submit a test code. This is showing an success message that our code is updated successfully. So I will now check the dashboard and check if the code is updated on our WordPress dashboard or not. Here is our submitted code. If I click on the view option, it will display all the information in the single page. So following this method, you can easily create a course submission page on your website. Now we will learn how to create different types of users on our website. It will help us to create delivery agent, merchant and other type of users on our website. Hover over the plugin section and go to add new option to install and activate the new plugin. Search for the plugin WP Frontend User Registration. Let's change the keyword to user role. Here is the plugin we are looking for. Install and activate this plugin. You can check the settings of the plugin. I will add two new roles to show you the process. Let's name it merchant for now and allow some capabilities for our new role. This type of user can edit posts and upload medias like image, video and other type of media. Once you set the capabilities, hit the update button, add new role, our merchant is added on our user list. We will add another user. Let's name it delivery agent. We will allow same capabilities for this type of user as well. Click on add new role. So we have added two users. One is delivery agent, another is merchant. We will work with them. Go to dashboard. We will create a page that will basically an user registration page. Using this page, anyone will able to register as merchant. Hit the publish button. If you now visit the page, you will find it blank. We will edit the page using the Elementor editor. Let's add a heading on our page. I will give it the name merchant registration and I will choose page layout as Elementor canvas. So this will remove all the header and footer elements. Hit the update button. If you now visit the page again, you will find
all the header and footer already gone and only the page title is available. Go to dashboard again. We will now create some custom fields so we can use those fields on our merchant registration form. Click on the add new button and give it a name of your field group. I am giving it merchant registration field group. Click on add field button and we will add some fields. As this is website field, so we will set the field to URL, and for phone number it will be number field. In this stage we will set some rules so a user can see these options from the user registration field. When anyone will edit this option, he will find these fields. Also we will add this section on the front-end form, so we have to select the current user. When he is logged in, he can see these options. Hit the update button. Reload the page. Select a layout that suits on your website. I will pick this one. User. Drag the new user field here. Select ACF field group. And we will select merchant registration here. So all the fields will available here. You can also add the first name last name field here. ACF field, search first name, and we will drag this to the top. We will add another field, last name, and drag it to the second position. And we will change the submit button to register now, and we have to change the action. File has been created successfully. Username will start with merchant. Will be display the first name. New user role will be merchant. Once you set all the options, hit the update button. So our registration field page is ready. Let's click on exit dashboard. Here is merchant registration page. This is our front-end form. Using this form, anyone can register on our website as a merchant. Let's check the form. I will open a new incognito mode browser. Here I will open the link and I will try to register a new merchant on our website using this form. So I will give the name Rahul Roy 123. Let's give password rahul123@gmail.com. Rahul Enterprise business phone number google.com clothing, and I will hit the register now button. The password is weak. Your profile has been created successfully. So I will visit the user page, all users. Here is our new user Rahul Roy 123 and he is registered as merchant. If I click on edit button, I can see his role, first name, last name, username, and all additional fields are added below. So you can edit and update his role as well as admin. Following this method, you can create a registration page for delivery agent as well. Now we will create a form that will basically a backend form. Only logged in users will able to see this type of form. We will name it as submit delivery request, and only the merchant and admin will able to see this form. They will able to fill out all the information and submit the form, so admin can take care of it. We will create a page first. Let's give it a name, submit delivery request. Hit the publish button. I will click edit with Elementor button to edit the page. This page is completely blank now. We will create another post type that will basically a custom post. Using the CPT UI, click on add edit option. Here you have to select a post slug, add plural level and then singular level. I will remove the featured image and editor option and then click on add post type. Once you click on the add new post type, it will add a dashboard option called all requests. This is a custom post. You have to add some fields on it, so we will go to custom fields and then add new. Here I will give it a name, delivery request group. And this will only visible on the delivery request post type. I will select submit delivery request post type, and now I will add some fields on it. I make a list. I will add these fields. I will add these fields on my custom post. You can make it required or optional depending on your requirement. Merchant phone number field will be a number field. I will make it required. Product weight will be a checkbox or radio button. I will offer some options. People will able to select any radio option, and this will be easy for them to pick one number. You can add some instruction text here. I will make it required. Here you have to add some values. In the left side you have to add the value, and you have to add a colon, then the level of this value. You can add as many as you want. You can set a default number. Delivery type will be also a radio button. I will add a value and then the level. Value can be anything. Just make sure you added the level correctly. Once all the fields are added successfully, you have to hit the publish button. If you now visit the custom post, click on add new, you will find all the options here. Here you will find all the fields we just added on our custom field group. You can fill out all the information and hit the publish button. It will add a custom post. I filled out all the information and hit the publish button to show you the process. And if you now visit all delivery requests, it will show one custom post is added, already published, but I want this one as front-end form. User will able to submit their delivery request from a form. So we created a page that we did not work that time, so now we will search the advanced custom field form widget here. Our post type is not added here yet because we did not reload the page, so I will reload the page again. If you now check the post option again, you will find the delivery request post type is already added. Here is the submit delivery post type added on this page. So we will set some parameter for this page and we will create the front-end form. You can set the media requirement, filtered media by author. Only logged in users who uploaded the image will able to see the image. From the form structure you can update the title. I will modify it as well. Click on add new item and select the ACF Fields group, then select the delivery group. I will remove the post title and make the merchant name as default post title. So here anyone will submit a post will be saved by his name. Let's change some permission setting. Admin will able to see the post and merchant will able to see the form as well, and the user who submitted the post will able to view. Let's visit the page. This is our page, submit delivery request. So here our form is ready with all default field we have created. I will open this link in an incognito browser, so we are no longer logged in this browser. This form will not visible from the front end. No one will able to see the form from the front end. They must need to log in first to view the form. Using the username and password, you have to log in on your WordPress dashboard first. After logging to our dashboard, I will visit the link again. And now submit delivery request page is visible to us because I have already logged in as Rahul Roy, who is a merchant. So I will fill out all the information here and submit the form so I can show you the form is working or not. Once you fill out all the information, hit the submit button. Your delivery request has been updated successfully. I come back to my admin area, admin dashboard. Here I see the Rahul Roy delivery request is pending. Admin can easily check all the options and hit the publish, or he can delete the request as well. So this post has been updated successfully from the delivery submit request form. If you open it, it will not open because we did not create any single page yet. You must have to create a single page first to see the post. From the templates, go to theme builder. Here you can add a loop for single post. Here you can create a single page for your post type. So I will give it a name, delivery request, single page. Hit the create template button. You can choose any template from here. I will just close it. Now I will add a section here. From the Elementor widgets, I will add a heading so that people understand in which page they are. I will add another section here. From the widgets panel, I will add a text editor, or I can do some little adjustment. I will add a text editor here. From the dynamic tags, I will select ACF field and then select merchant name. From the advanced, I will add a text before the ACF field. From the preview setting, I will select the delivery post type and select a custom post just to preview. Hit the apply and preview button. And this is repeating the post name, merchant name basically. You can add HTML code here, like I will add the B tag, which is used to make any font bold. I will just duplicate the field and select merchant address here, and I will change the text from here. I will add merchant address here. I will duplicate this again. Following this method, I will bring all the fields here. When you edit any page with Elementor, it's always flexible. You can adjust anytime you want. I will just drag it to the right widget area and add the customer's details on right widget so it looks good. I am not doing any styling here. I am just showing the method so you can edit and update with your own styling. I will add a full width section here and copy a widget text editor here in full width. From the styling tab, you can make it center align. Depending on your requirement, you have to set the center align, left or right align, or you can do justify alignment as well. This is not looking good, so I will make it left align again. Also the product list I will make left align as well. Our last field is delivery type. I can add some spacer here. just beneath the title and after the content section, and I will hit the publish button. Here I will select the delivery all delivery request post type and then hit the save and close button. Now I will visit the post type, go to all delivery requests section, open any custom post type. I will open the Rahul Roy post type, and this will look like what we did in singular page. So following this method, you can easily create single page for your custom post types. We can also make an archive page for our post type. From the theme builder, you will see there is no loop option, so we will add new plugin called LE Custom Skin that will allow us to add new loop on our post. Hit the install now button, hit the activate button. I will visit the template section again, go to theme builder, and now you will see the loop. We will create a new loop. Let's give it a name, delivery request loop. I will close the template section. Here I will make a design for our archive page. Select Elementor canvas, so it will remove header and footer. Hit the publish. From the preview setting, you can select the post type and a custom post for just preview purpose. Go to widgets section. I will add a full width section here. I will divide the section, doing some duplicate of the section. Add a text editor. Select the dynamic tag. Go to ACF field. Here select the field. I will select the merchant name. In the next section, I will add another text editor. I will do the same. Now I will add the merchant phone number field here. I need another field, so I duplicate this one and I will just change it with product weight. I will hit the update button, hit the save and close. So our loop is ready. I will now create archive page. Let's give the name all delivery requests. Hit the publish button and then click on edit with Elementor. We have created 5 different sections on our archive loop. I added the shortcode here. Hit the update button and I will check if the archive page is working fine or not. It's not working. So in this section I will add post widget, select custom and then delivery archive. So all the fields are showing. Select one column, post per page will be 50. Select query, from post to select the all delivery requests. So all the posts are showing now. You can set pagination for your post type. Hit the update button. View page. So our delivery archive page is ready. If I visit the incognito browser again to submit another delivery request as merchant, let's submit another delivery request. I am using the Rahul Roy 123 ID. This is a new delivery request. So I will hit the submit button. Again the success message appeared. I will reload the admin dashboard again, but the post is not updated here because we did not approve the post yet. Visit the delivery request section again. Here the post is pending yet. You can edit and check all the information. If admin agree with all the requirements, you can update or publish the delivery request. Hit the publish button. You can open it in single page. Here is all the delivery information. Also you can check it from the archive page. So following this method you can easily create a delivery service website for your company. I have shown all the process from the scratch. If you have any query regarding the tutorial, please shoot an email to us. Check the video description for our email. Thanks for watching the video.